a little video of a rooftop unit. A common problem. They use a ECM type of motor. It doesn't withstand the moisture and ends up going bad in no time. I just replaced it about 2-3 years ago and it's bad again. Estoy presentando un video de la marca Ruud. Es una unidad de techo. Un problema muy común. La unidad se le reemplazó el motor del vaporizador hace 2-3 años y la humedad le ha afectado y es común en estas unidades. El motor cuesta aproximadamente $600. Si vas a la tienda en el internet son aproximadamente 400, por lo que me costó la vez pasada. Le vamos a reemplazar con un motor convencional que no tiene computadora. Like I said, this is gonna be replaced by a conventional motor, not the ECM anymore. And these last way longer than the ECM type of motor. Okay, that's the first step. I'm gonna take off the cover on the operator side and I would show you the rest. Now the motor is out, so you can see. Just remove the 2 screws that go right here in the bottom. Screw right here and right here. Take out the wires. Take the wires of the heat sensor. I think this is what it's called. I can't recall the name exactly, but como pueden mirar, acabo de sacar el motor. Solamente desconecta los alambres y 2 tornillos que van aquí abajo y se desliza. Muy sencillo. Ahora lo que voy a hacer es remover el tornillo que afianza la polea. Como pueden mirar, tanto ruido está de tanta humedad que se forma en este lugar. Tengo que quitar estos 3 tornillos. Sale el motor y un clamp que está aquí adentro y ya saco el motor. Okay. Here we have the new motor. It's not electronic one, ECM type of bullshit motor. Got all the wires running through this plate here, protected by this ring here. Everything connected. All I gotta do is connect these wires here. Red one goes to heat, black one goes to cooling. This one we're not using. Common to the L2. It's the common. And the capacitor is already connected. Now this is gonna be eliminated. The relay there, that was for the low motor. And we should be able ready to go with this. I just gotta go get some connectors at the store. Aquí tenemos el motor nuevo. Este motor es un convencional, no requiere computadora, solamente requiere de corriente. Aquí tengo los alambres que ya corrí por la lámina esta con un protector. En este lado corrí los alambres por abajo. Lo único que me queda es conectarlos al circuito El rojo va al calor, el negro va al frío, el azul se queda sin uso y el común se va al L2. El resto del alambrado no va a servir, se queda aquí colgando. Este se elimina, este relador se elimina, era el relador que usaba para el motor anterior. Ahora solamente necesito unos conectores que voy a comprar a la tienda. Here back in the panel, I just crimped these two ends. The right one on the heat, I removed this blue wire that was right here on the heat. This one runs to, let's see, to the relay. Pretty sure that powers the relay, something like that. Okay. Well, the instructions I got is just for heat you use the red one, for cool you use the black one. This is the speed of the motor, and the common wire, which I'm gonna use from here. Oh fuck! It's got power in it. Thank you. A little shock there. I'm gonna put the comment there on one of these wires, but first of all I need to, I guess, remove the power, and I will continue to wire this. Acabo de reemplazar estos, uno de estos, el azul estaba aquí en heat. Las instrucciones que me dieron donde compró el motor me dijeron que pusiera el rojo en calor y el negro en cooling. Son las velocidades, diferentes velocidades para diferente aplicación. Ahorita voy a poner el común en L2 y creo solamente el azul se va a quedar sin conectar, no se necesita. Here it is. The unit is running. The motor, the blower is running too. I'll put the cover because otherwise the ice would be building up on the condenser, on evaporator. I'm sorry. So there you go. I said this one is the blue one. I put it where it's not gonna be doing anything, but just getting out of the way. The red one ended up where everything is just, I checked the amperage. It's about 5.46. I don't know if it is because I have 5-ton. It's 4.3. Nothing on the red one because it's not being used. Nothing on the blue one because it's not being used. But yeah, the motor is consuming about 4.1 amps. So you can see there. 5-ton, I believe it's okay. I don't know. I watched other videos, and it sounds like for a 3-ton it's 1.5. One something. I don't know if it's because there's more demand on this motor because of the bigger unit. Pero aquí tenemos ya trabajando a la unidad de techo. El motor del condensador está trabajando, eso no tiene problemas. Puse la cubierta para que no se forme hielo en el. Here we have the unit running. All the wiring where it's supposed to be. I have some dangling wires that I'm gonna just climb down and put them away so I can put the cover. I covered this up already, otherwise the evaporator will start freezing. It'll build ice. And ya está terminada una unidad. Esta unidad ya está trabajando. El motor trabajó muy bien. Le puse la cubierta porque si no se forma hielo en el vaporizador. Aquí tenemos todo, los alambres colgando. Esto los voy a poner de manera que no estorben al poner la puerta. Los puedo quitar, pero ahí los prefiero dejar que queden ahí de recuerdo. Así quedó entonces la unidad esta ya terminada. Yeah, it's all done. I just gonna put the cover, put the wires away, put something somewhere through here, maybe the hole where I pulled them out through, and so it's just that out of the way. It's all finished now. It's running. Don't have to spend $600 to get the regular motor. Right there. That's why I replace it with, if anyone wants to do the same thing. Have the diagram. This is a 410 unit. I don't know what the model number is. Oh, here it is. Here's all the information on this unit, as you can see. If anyone wants to compare this unit to the ones you have that have the same problem, just follow the same steps. There's also a video on YouTube that it helped me a lot. The guy told me the motor, told me how to do it. I have a little bit of experience here in air conditioning, some classes, so that helps a lot. Aquí está el modelo de la unidad, información que se puede usar para alguien que tenga la misma unidad y tenga los mismos problemas. La unidad tiene gas de 410. Aquí el diagrama se los mostré. Eso es lo que trabajé ahorita.